Yeah, I'm rooting for 6.
That was a good one.
I guess I was wrong.
06 didn't win.
No.
06 lost. I thought there was more pairs.
There are.
No, like all in there at once.
Oh, so did I.
At the
I'm
Simco
pretty-
one,
I'm-
there's like 20.
In the same.
Couple more. Flip them back over.
Just the car, though, not that.
The person's out of it. Be an easy work of that, eh? Otherwise, you're gonna drive right through the sprinklers.
I thought he was gonna like whip it around and like rev the engine. Oh, there's the other one. It's coming. Which one are you rooting for? I'm rooting for the orange one. So which one are you rooting for?
I think the orange one is
I'm pretty sure they're bringing the third one in. They're bringing the third one.
actually the red one.
Yeah, I think the orange one is. Daddy, look at the tire. I think the red one. Actually, no, sorry, the orange one. There's 4. Yeah, I'm voting for the orange one. 2, 6, 2, 2, 3. Yeah, that's what I'm voting for. Look at C's tire. I know. It's like this. It's like this and it's like this. There's 5. 4. Tina, there's a minion on C. There's a minion. Oh yeah, there is. All right, that's what they're bringing in. 4 of them. They're all gonna back into each other. I'm calling it. Stuck over there. the green was going to blow his engine.
I think it's done.
Yeah.
They're all stuck now, aren't they? Yeah, sure. Yep.
223 did win.
Mine was
How?
Wait,
how did 223 win?
I'm not sure.
I think because all of them got stuck. I'm like,
I knew 223 would win.
Okay. Yeah, we don't have that big blanket in the Jeep. We're gonna have to drive home all wet.
I'm voting on him.
me too.
Yeah, 5. 6. 6 trucks. Look at that. 6 trucks in there. Oh, they're all starting right beside each other.
The other ones are
Yeah. So they all back into each other. Yeah, I'm voting for that America one. It's gasoline.
I like the smell. I like the smell.
I also like the smell. Imagine if they had 9 in there, so there were 3 right here, 3 right there, 3 right there. They have 7. Right over there at the entrance. See, it's driving in right now. Actually, yeah, I might vote for the one over there that did a burnout. The one with the big, like, X on the back.
Yeah.
I might vote for that one. Oh, 86 is back.
No way.
That guy's starting with no tire.
Oh, yeah, he doesn't.
Came in, started with no tire.
Because number 86, remember, he got his tire taken off. What?
So cute.
Right there.
Little boy on his shoulders. Over here.
Over here, Kelly.
Alright, drivers, are you ready?
I can't believe 86 is back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. make it.
No, it's America.
I said America. He looks like he looks like the he looks like the beat up he looks like the beat America looks like the beat up car. I got the little like curved back. Chris, you know the beat up car from Cars, like the movies, like the derby truck, where it has like the curved back. That looks like America. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's like America. What's 182 doing? They're just sitting there.
Look at 182. He's just like,
182 is just relaxing. Yeah, I'm voting on 182 though.
yeah.
I should- Yeah, he looks like he hasn't been touched. '86 is smoking. Wait, what did '86ers do?
You flipped down the truck off.
86 is mad, probably. It's getting targeted. Oh, I'm pretty sure 86 broke down.
It did.
182 is just relaxing over there. Yeah, 86 broke down, I'm pretty sure.
I think all three of them broke down.
I like it. Well, I'm pretty sure that one truck is just stuck because of 86.
Yeah.
Yeah, 11 and 86 look like they broke down for sure. Because 11 is smoking and making noises. 11's hissing, so he's probably broken down. Yeah, 11's done. They just took their seatbelt off. 86 is done. 182 got out as well. I don't know. You just listen to the guy. Maybe he'll say.
They have trophies.
I think 182.
Cody, they have trophies
But everyone?
for not everyone, but
Yeah.
top three.
Well, the people in the other derbies, like the vans and the cars, they got what they call trophies. Oh, who won? Was it 11? 11, 86.
See, I don't think so.
86 second.
After this is done, I'll let you go.
The phone's also at 15%.
That's it.
And that was it.